Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some budget-friendly, elegant Christmas decor. And so what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain or clear room divider. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You know what you're going to need from Dollar Tree? You're going to need 2 of these tulip-shaped or fluted vases, a mini vase, so you'll need 2 of them. You're also going to need some of these, well, maybe, some of these little silver mini ornaments. I may or may not be using these, but we'll see as we go along. You're also going to need a clear glass candle holder plate from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. If I decide to use additional items, I will also link those in the description box below for you. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant and simple Christmas centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make, and this is very versatile. You could use this to put a small Christmas centerpiece, floral centerpiece on top of this. You could use this as a candle holder or even a candy dish, but it's very versatile. Let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.